to yet another tutorial. My name is Carolina, and in this tutorial I'll show you how to make this cute sweetheart top using my new sewing pattern called Alice. You can buy this pattern from my shop on Etsy, and I'll leave a link in the description if you want to check it out. To start, place the front and back panels together and sew them on sides with 1 cm seam allowance. Repeat the same step with the lining panels. Don't mind the seam on my back panel as I ran out of fabric and I had to improvise a little bit. Insert lining into the top so they are right side to right side and pin the neckline. Mark a center front with a pin to know where to lift your foot up and change the direction of the stitch. Make a cut on the seam allowance, but be careful not to cut the stitch line, and turn the top to the right side. Roll the neckline seam in your fingers to get all the fabric out and pin it down. Then top stitch the neckline. Then, with the top on the wrong side, smooth out the panels and pin them down. Fold the longer panel over the lining twice at the hem and top stitch. then press the seams if necessary. And that's it, your own perfect Alice top. Thanks for watching.